This was my coolest project yet, making the Trivia Bot from the Life series. I was sitting at home and I got the notification that Grian had posted a new Life series. This was Nice Life. So I started watching it and I saw the Trivia Bot in it and I thought, I've got to make this. This would be so cool to have as a physical model, so that's exactly what I did. Now before I start showing you how I built it and everything, let me show you some clips from the original Trivia Bot, which was in Wildlife.
What on earth is this thing?
Okay, I don't know who he belongs to.
No way.
Is it me?
It's you!
Wow!
What'd you just do?
Okay, right. Mumbo, read it.
Right, so let's plan out exactly how we're going to make him. I think for the face, we're going to have that as like a TFT 2.8 inch screen for the Arduino. Everything else is going to be 3D printed. I think for the little hovery bit at the bottom, I think I might try and use my translucent filament that I got to make that bit. To actually power the Trivia Bot, I think I'm just going to use the Arduino that I got for Christmas, which is an Arduino Uno. So that should comfortably be able to power the Trivia Bot. And I think for the answer input, I'm going to use a matrix pad, which will also connect up to the Arduino. So let's get straight into modeling the pieces. So that's all the parts modelled, let's hit print. And while the printer was going, I started the soldering. After soldering the screen, I found that it wasn't working. After I looked at this and finished off the build, I realised I think it's because I hadn't plugged in the backlit pin, but I decided to buy a new screen. On top of this as well, the matrix pad was plugged in and everything, and it just wasn't working. I'm not sure why, but we've had to, instead of using the matrix pad, we're going to use the keyboard instead. And by that time, all of the parts had 3D printed, so I could just start assembling it. Before I start assembling it, I'm going to show you how I've made the head. Instead of it being one piece, I've made it so as it's held together by tongue and groove joints. This allows me to disassemble it to get the components out to use in other projects, because Arduinos aren't the cheapest things in the world. So the way that it works is, what I do is I hit a key on my keyboard and that will trigger one of the procedures. So if I hit N, like I have here, then a question will pop up. And then it's got A, B, C or D relating to the answers. If you click the wrong letter, like I have here, you'll get the red face. If you then were to hit the correct letter, then you'll get the green happy face. You can also hit R to reset it back to this screen, and you can do that whenever. On the screen now are some pictures of the different screens. Obviously you've got the happy face, the sad face, the regular face, a lot of them. They're all on the screen because I struggled to kind of actually capture what it looks like in the video. So I've left the pictures so it's a lot easier for you to see. I'm considering making Grumbot next, or my other idea is adding an infrared sensor to try and get the robot to be controlled by a remote control, so it's fully self-stand and it doesn't need me to use my keyboard and my computer for it to work. If you enjoy watching it, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.